Welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to do a follow-up of a video I did quite a while ago showing the external portions of my ROC post. This is some old footage that I recorded back in February, and I just sort of mashed it together. It's quite rough edits, and I mashed it all together, and I thought I'd do a tour like this. So we've come down the entrance shaft and we're looking into the toilet and storage area here. You see the chemical toilet, the petrol electric generator, and other ancillaries were kept in there. And we're walking into the monitoring room now, and I've got the door closed there, and you can see I have a few bits and pieces hung up in the back of the door. Now this is run as a museum. I sort of run it as a part-time thing, open it up a couple of times a year. And when I was doing this in February, I was doing a piece for a local newspaper, so I had come down that day just to set the post up a bit for the newspaper to come to take some photographs. So you can see the bomb power indicator here, and that would have measured the peak overpressure of the nuclear explosion, and on the scale there measured in kilopascals. And you can see the pipe then that goes up, and that goes up onto the surface where there's a set of baffle plates. And this is the teletalk here, and there'll be a little jump cut here to show you what the teletalk looks like open, and that was your basic communications device. So you could talk between other posts and then also talk back to group headquarters. And then we've got the post radio here. Now Portadown, the post I am in, was a master post, so which meant they had a radio, and it's Sarol radio box. And then on the bunk beds here, I've got this big Protect and Survive poster. And then you can see all the radio cables, what have you, on the wall there, coming through the 3 holes underneath the air vent. And then I have this recruitment poster here, and that's from the 1970s. So I've just a few posters, just something to make I didn't want the post to look, completely like a museum, just full of bits and pieces. I wanted it to sort of look as if the observers had just stepped out to, go get something to eat or go get some water or something like that there, and it sort of left the post as a time capsule. You can see the Clyde poster, the quintessential Clyde poster, and then there's the kettle and cups and things like that. And that's where we are there, Northern Ireland, on this big map. That's me, 45 post. And then I have this map of the local area, the town of Portadown in County Armagh, Northern Ireland. It just shows the general area just nearby the post. And then we have this poster here for vehicle sighting reports, basically for spies coming up from Dublin from the Russian embassy. There's the bunk beds with the jerry cans of water stored underneath, and there's just a general look back over the whole post. So I've had the post since 2008, and we opened to visitors for the first time in 2010, so this year should have been our 10th anniversary. But unfortunately, with everything going on at the moment, I don't think I'll get to open this year, sadly. But fingers crossed, by the end of this year, hopefully everything will have changed and we'll be able to get open. So just a few bits and pieces on the desk here. And I'm lifting up now. This is the probe rod. If you ever watch videos of abandoned posts, you'll always hear them talking about the fixed survey meter. This is the telescopic rod that would have gone up the fixed survey meter pipe, and that would have given you your radiation readings down in the post. So that's pretty much the end of the tour. This was all the footage I'd managed to get, and hopefully I'll get some more for you soon. But as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.